In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your Windows 11 taskbar. So as you can see at the moment, my taskbar is very small and it's only in the center of the screen and it's got nice rounded edges there. In the bottom right hand corner, the system tray is also hidden. And if I hold down the Windows key and press F2, it then displays the system tray. So to change how your taskbar looks, first you need to open up the start menu and you then need to type in Microsoft Store. And you now need to open up the store. You then need to click in the search box at the top and we then need to type in rounded TB. You then need to select this option here that says rounded TB. You then need to click on the Get button. Don't worry, if you're not signed into the Microsoft Store, you will still be able to download this app. Once it's finished downloading and installing, we then need to click on Open. You then need to click on to OK. And you will now have a few different options. So the first thing that we want to do is change the margin. So basically the margin will change the width or the height of the taskbar. So at the moment you can see my taskbar, there's a bit of the background at the bottom. So if I was to change the margin up, you can see it makes it thinner. If I then change it back down, it then makes it back to the default, nice and thick. So it's up to you what you want the margin to be. So I'm going to leave this on 0. Next we need to change the corner radius. So at the moment it's on 7 and that's what I'm going to leave it on. We then need to click onto Advanced and you will now see an option for dynamic mode. You need to tick this option. You then need to untick Show System Tray and then click on Apply. Straight away now you can see that my taskbar has gone smaller and to the center of the screen and it's got slightly rounded edges. So if I was to hold down the Windows key and press F2, you can see it now shows the system tray. If I then hold down the Windows key and press F2 again, it then hides it. You can now click on Close for rounded TB, and if you open up the system tray again by holding down the Windows key and pressing F2, click on the up arrow and then right click on rounded TB, just make sure it does have Run at Startup ticked. So that does now bring me to the end of this video. That is how you can make your taskbar smaller and rounded into the center of your Windows 11 screen. I hope this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, click the like button below, and if you'd like to see more computer sluggish videos, then click that subscribe button. If you do subscribe, then I will see you in the next video.